Hi everyone. In this video we're going to see how we actually put it all together now. So for the last couple of weeks we've been learning about MySQL and how to create databases, select data from them, insert data into them, structure tables, and in this week we're going to finally put it together with with PHP and put together a full server that can interact with a database. So PHP was pretty much built for MySQL. It wasn't built for MySQL, but it was built with MySQL in mind to be its database of choice. And so it has some special things built in. So there's two ways to connect to a MySQL database with PHP. We can either use PDO, which is kind of an older way, but that's more for a generalized standard way of connecting to multiple different databases. In this class, we'll learn the mysqli method. So that stands for MySQL Improved. And the way we do that is that we make a variable, and by convention it's called con for connection, and we can do mysqli underscore connect. So this will be a function call, and this function takes 3 arguments. It takes the name of the server that we're going to connect to, the username of the server we're going to connect to, and the password. So server name, username, and password. And so those are variables I just made, so I'm just going to go ahead and define them up here. So we'll say server name. We are in a localhost environment, so we can just do localhost. For the username, we're just going to do root, just like we've been connecting in the command line. And we have not been connected with a password, so the password will just be empty string. And that's it. That's all you need to do. But it's also important to check if we properly connected to MySQL. So after this function is called, I'll put a semicolon there, it's going to return a true or a false. And so how we can tell if this worked is we can just write a quick if statement. And so if the connection is not true, so this returned a false, then we will just kill. We can use this die function, and we can kill the program and say, hey, the connection failed, and we can use a function called mysqli connect error. We can call that function to actually print the error of whatever happened. Otherwise, we'll just echo that we were able to successfully connect. So if this works, when we open this file and run it, we get connected successfully. So that's how we can connect PHP to MySQL. Again, there's also PDO as well, and if you look in the readings, you'll see an example of that. But in this class, we'll just use the mysqli method of doing it. But if it interests you, feel free to take a look at PDO, and I'll see you in the next video.